Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I just purchased a bunch of capsules to place my silver round slash coins in, and it just brought me to the topic of how far should you go to protecting your silver. Now, this bag had probably one of those things that you just kind of like unzip with, but I guess it fell off and it's broken, so we kind of have to do what we can to actually get this open. And this is one of the ways we could do it, just like that. All right, so it's also just gonna be like a little review. I purchased this on Amazon, and I'll leave a link to it in the comment section below. Opening the rest of this here. Okay, so as you guys know, the other day I did purchase 2 more silver rounds. At this point, since they're already out, I'm debating putting them in capsules, but the one is a little bit older than the other one, so I might put this buffalo round into a case for now. I do enjoy like actually handling the silver, so I'm not sure if I'll be doing this with all of the rounds I purchase in the future. And wow. Okay, so opening it just like that. Excuse the red fingers here. I was just eating a little bit of flaming hot Cheetos, so that's why it looks like that, in case you guys were wondering. Okay, so yeah, this piece here, a little bit older, so I'm not gonna add that into a case, but let's take a look at this case here real quick. All right, how am I supposed to open this? It's right there. Okay, pop that open. All right, go to add this piece of silver in there just like that. Okay, adding that back in there just like that. And okay, nice, we have a nice protected silver round. Still has some space to move around in there, so you know the edges might get dinged if you just mess with it too much, but yeah, there we go. That is our 2 pieces right there. And as you guys may have noticed, my rabbit round actually got damaged. The case did, so we're going to move this into a fresh case. This is one that I actually carry around with me, just because I enjoy carrying around a piece of silver. It's kind of like my lucky coin, so to speak. Okay, so let's take that off. This is going in the trash. Gonna be opening another one here, just like this. Okay, it pops right out, and gonna be grabbing this. Careful, SpongeBob. Alright, putting it right in there. And just like that, that is going to be the piece that I carry around. Still a little bit of noise, but going to be keep it relatively safe. Okay, so then I had to bring out my remaining ones. Let's move that to the side. And this, at that point, is trash. Looking at my remaining silver pieces. So I'm going to take them out of these bags and put them in these cases here. Now I think whether or not you should be using these is probably like just personal preference. Like I talked to my coin dealer, and he said that he didn't care if the silver was in pristine condition, he would still be purchasing them at spot price. That's why I'm not too concerned, other than obviously the pieces that I want to collect I might keep in the capsules. For example, like I want to pass off the year of the rabbit ones and the year of the ox ones down for sure. So I'm going to try to keep those as nice as possible for my kids, but at the same time, I'm not too concerned if something does happen to them a little bit, because I probably won't be selling these in my lifetime unless something goes horribly wrong. And I do enjoy just touching and feeling the silver pieces themselves, so that's why I'm going to definitely keep some outside of the capsules. Look at that, that's just going to be such a nice piece to have around. Okay, going to be cutting ever so carefully, just like that. And yeah, with the pieces that I buy on the website, just buy new, I definitely want to be a little bit more careful with them. There we go, coming out of this, come on. I have to just rip apart this, just like that. Alright, gonna get some of my flaming Cheeto hands on there, but that's alright. Going to be keeping that nice and safe as well. Ox coin, Look at that. I love this one. Okay, another one down. Going to be cutting up another ox coin here. So I did purchase 4 of each, 4 of the ox rounds and then 4 of the rabbit rounds. Let's see, that should be enough. Okay, time to open up another capsule. I'm really glad that I only paid about probably like $12 for all these capsules. I forget how many came with it. It was 40 or 50, but very pleased with the quality of the capsules themselves. Try to not touch the coin too much, other than like the very tip. There we go, just to add it in here. I know I probably could have like used gloves, but that's all right. Okay, so 2 of those. This is sweet. I have been really enjoying stacking silver. I just touched the blade directly, so just ignore that. And I'm an adult, I can handle sharp things. Okay, gonna be opening this a little bit more, and again I keep forgetting to open up the capsule first. It's very hard to focus on a task while you're recording because the camera, or I'm using my phone to record, it's like right in your face, so it's kind of in your field of vision a little bit. So there we go, opening that, squeezing that out, putting that into another capsule, and locking that bad boy up. Okay, nice. So here we are, stacking silver. Okay, the last one in these annoying little pouches. I mean, it's nice since it probably kept them protected and whatnot, but annoying to remove a little bit, but that's all right. Kept it safe during transit and probably safe from a manufacturer. Okay, let's do that. And we just need to rip a little bit more to get it out. Okay, nice. Squeeze that. You know, and this is gonna get passed on to my kids. I'll be like, there's like little smudges on the corner. It looks kind of red. Is that Flaming Hot Cheetos? Yeah, it definitely is. So, kids, if you're watching this in the future, it's because I ate Flaming Hot Cheetos before I recorded this video. So there you go. That's why the top of your rounds is a little bit red, but that's all right. Wasn't anything that time did to it. It's what your old man did to your rounds, but that's all right. Okay, that's another reason I wanted to document this stacking series. Is I have it all on a playlist, so if I ever, or if my kids ever want to watch the beginning of my stacking collection, then they'll be able to. So that's another reason that I've been documenting my stacking journey. This one, which one was my safe one? Okay, my safe lucky coin was over there. So these are the ones that are safe to just store in here. There's a hair in here. It's kind of gross. All right, back there. Gonna be cutting the last one here. Okay, got to take out the last capsule. But yeah, I mean, my ultimate goal is just to continue to collect and then pass it off to next generation. So I'm protecting some of them just because I want them to still be nice, but ultimately I don't really believe it's necessary unless you have, like, you know, mint coins and such that collectors want in pristine condition. For me, I probably would not ever be selling these to any type of collector, more of just like coin dealerships and whatnot. So yeah, able to keep it in there, and there we go. So now we are able to just have them displayed like that. So at this point, this is my collection plus one more. This is the one I'm gonna carry around. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. This is what I have at this point. I've only made 2 purchases thus far and going to be making more. So let me know what you guys think in terms of protecting your silver with these capsules. If you guys do this for every piece you get, or if you only do it for certain pieces, that's probably what I'll be doing in the future with them. So yeah, happy stacking, y'all.